We see these amazing results every day. We love what we do, and so will you. See this dirty, unhealthy carpet transformed into a healthy, clean indoor environment. Auckland Steam and Dry use the world's largest, best proprietary truck-mounted carpet cleaning equipment, which does a 7 times better job than most can. Our 84 degrees Celsius hot steam kills viruses, allergens, germs, dust mites and mould. Family owned since 1987, Auckland Steam and Dry give you the best value carpet and upholstery service in Auckland. See our online 5-star reviews across various platforms. Do you want clean carpets? Not just any old clean, but proper deep down clean. Gets all the filth out and leaves carpet not only clean, but bacteria clean free. Call to schedule an appointment or inbox us.